How to delete a story on Snapchat. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete. And now let's get started. You can simply follow these easy steps in order to delete your Snapchat story from your Snapchat profile. So first of all, launch Snapchat on your phone right here. Now after launching the app, tap on the circle which is at the top left corner where your Bitmoji should be. Just tap on it. Now you'll come across this page where you can see your story added under My Stories. So just tap on your recent story. Okay, here we go. Now how to delete this story? So now what you have to do is just tap on the three dots which is at the top right corner right here. Now you can see various options here and you can see delete snap at the top in red. Just tap on it. Okay, just tap on delete here. Now you can see that you have successfully deleted your story on Snapchat. So that was it for today, and if you found this video helpful and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.